Justin Bieber uses Instagram as a marketing tool, recruiting a sea of stars to promote his next single. Hey guys, I'm Kristen Goodwin with Buzz60, and what do you mean? That's the name of Bieber's next single. The Biebs stopped by on air with Ryan Seacrest to talk about the tune, saying the title's name stems from his confusion over women, explaining gals are often just flip-floppy, saying one thing and then meaning another. The pop star is using his Instagram page to promote the track, getting celebrities to pose with posters with the song's name and a daily countdown to the track's debut. From Ryan Seacrest, Ariana Grande, Kylie Jenner, and Orange is the New Black star Ruby Rose, to Mariah Carey. Even Shaq is promoting Bieber's track, just not the correct spelling of Bieber's name. The 21-year-old also collaborated with social media personality Josh Ostrowski and got creative. With a promotional countdown like this, one can only hope the single is a hit. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.